Hello everyone, my name's Jay Tilson and I'm here to talk about protecting the hybrid worker with SSE. Users, devices and data are now everywhere, and those tools of the past that we used to secure our hybrid workers no longer work. Let's look briefly at how we've done things historically. So you have a hybrid worker. This person wakes up in the morning, they turn on their computer, they're going to connect over to the internet. They're going to then traverse over the internet into your firewall, where they're then going to traverse down through some kind of VPN concentrator. They're then going to go into a DDoS defense system, and then they're going to traverse up through your SSL decryption, through some form of IPS, through some ACLs, and we all know how problematic they are, and then they connect on your WAN. This creates a number of security risks. The users are going to be on your WAN. They can go east-west. They can do lateral movement. They've pretty much got access to all of the systems on your WAN. Then if they need to connect into some cloud-based applications such as AWS, Azure, or GCP, they're going to traverse over the VPN that you've got configured into those. So they're going to need to come into your network to get contact with these cloud-based solutions. Additional to that, you've got ports open on your firewall, both inbound and outbound, and that creates a security risk. And also, if this hybrid worker needs to get access into a SaaS application, such as Salesforce, they're going to need to traverse, again, the same route, but they will then go back out to go up to the SaaS platform. And this creates issues with backhauling, with latency, and with cost. So you've got all of these on-premise solutions. They all need feeding, watering, they all need maintaining, they all need looking after, and that adds complexity and cost, and also significant security risk. And there's a better way of doing this with SSE. So here we have SSE, Security Service Edge. Security Service Edge combines with SD-WAN to create SASE, a Gartner architecture. SSE is based on the concept of zero trust. And many companies see SSE as the first starting point for their zero trust journey. It's a strategy. So let's look at the way that SSE works. Again, your hybrid worker wakes up in the morning, they connect over to the internet. But in this case, they connect into the SSE platform. So what the SSE platform does is you install connectors near the applications that you want to present. And rather than having to connect all of your users into this environment, the connectors create an outbound connection into the SSE platform. This means there are no firewall requirements here. It's only outbound connections, and there are no inbound connections. And then if we look at it from a zero trust network access point of view, a ZTNA point of view, the users need to connect into applications. So they connect into the cloud. They are then brokered. Those connections are checked against posture. And if the user passes posture checks and authentication, they are then connected into applications, either, as I said, on-prem or into the cloud. Therefore, they are not connected onto the network. There is no risk that there's any lateral movement. They cannot go east or west. And then if we look at it from a SWG point of view, a secure web gateway point of view, this user no longer needs to be backhauled onto the data center to get access to SaaS applications or to the internet. They can connect directly into the SaaS applications. That reduces the requirement for bandwidth, it reduces latency, and it also reduces that backhauling that we've done historically. If you can combine the secure web gateway with a CASB, Cloud Access Security Broker, or a DLP, data loss prevention system, all in a single platform, then you can control access to SaaS applications, you can control access to cloud applications and to the internet. So you can be protected against malware and ransomware. So this is the future, and this is how we should be doing things moving forward. Thanks for listening today. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Please go ahead and visit our website for any further information.